Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and in this video I will show you how to fix the problem if your microphone isn't working. So first of all, you can use any tiny non-metal object. It's better be solid and durable to fix your microphones. They're located right here around your volume buttons, and once you do that, you can check if your microphone works using the recorder app or any other sound recording apps that you have installed on your device. And the next thing, if this doesn't help, is to go to the settings, open System and Updates, go to Reset and select Reset All Settings. Tap right here, and this way you will reset all settings on your device. Then you can check the sound once again, and I hope that this does help you. And just in case, make sure that your software is updated. So to check for software updates, go to Software Update, click right here, and if there are any updates to your software, this might also affect keeping your software up to date. Might also affect the way your hardware works, including the microphones. So keep your device up to date, and I hope that this video helped you. And if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.